Welcome to the Trading Focus, guys. Did you ever find a situation where you have buy or sell areas to wait for the market to make a retracement from there, then the market won't come back and continue in the trend where you missed to take any trade? So in today's video, we are going to talk about and show you how can you deal with that situation, where to take another chance to enter and continue with a trend. That sounds amazing, guys. Subscribe on the channel, like the video, leave the comment below, and we are coming back on today's video. Okay, welcome back. So this situation comes when you have the market. Let's take an example. So let's say we have this zone, we have the high and we have the low. These are areas from where we are buying from, and these are areas from where we are selling from. Change the color, make the red. Okay, from the high. So now we have the market that was from the down area and moving up. Okay, that is usual, and we reverse from the upside to the downside. So now from the down areas, now we are expecting to be analyzing the market, looking for buy by expecting the market to reverse to the upside. So your target will be from this area. So now the scenario that comes here is that as you start making the signs of bullish reversal, you analyze the market and the market start moving up. So at this moment, you are waiting for the market to buy from this area, then you miss the entry from this area, and after that the market continue with imbalance areas. So you are waiting from this area, the market make a high to the higher low, then you are supposed to enter from this area, but you missed a trade from here. So the market keep moving up, then you have another area to wait from. Maybe you are waiting from this area to buy from this demand, or you are waiting from the retracement from this area. So now what will happen? The market will continue as you are waiting from your areas to buy from. The market continue in the upside, then the market ends up taking TP from this zone without taking any trade. So now we are going to look on how can you deal with this. After missing this trade, you wait from this area, you have multiple areas to buy from, the market keep moving up without making a retracement from those areas, then we continue, then the market continue upside without giving you an opportunity to enter for buy. So now how can you solve that problem? So even from the high to the low, you have this area, you are supposed to enter from there, so you miss a trade, then the market move down. After that you need to wait from these areas, so the market didn't come back from those areas, then the market continue moving down. You are waiting from this area, the market keep moving until to the take profit. So you miss the trade, you miss first trade, you miss the second trade, you wait from the areas where you can sell from, but the market will not come back and make a retracement from your area to sell from there. So how can you deal with this situation? Okay, so this time what I'm looking for is that I will be looking for the areas so where I can sell or buy from, safe areas when the market is imbalanced. Okay, let's take another example. Let's say we are in the downtrend, making higher highs and higher lows. I was waiting from this area, I missed a trade, so the market continue moving down. When the market moving down and start creating new lower lows and lower highs, with an imbalance area. This area is where I was waiting from to sell from. Then now this is an imbalance area. Okay, so now the market keeps pushing down. Then what I'm gonna be looking for to take another opportunity to sell, I have to look for a new structure of the market. Okay, so let's say we started making lower high and lower low. Okay, so I will be looking for a lower high to the lower low, and even another lower high to expect the lower low. So where am I going to be selling from? I will be selling from this area. The reason why I'm avoiding any insecurity of the market to move up and balance from this area. I'm expecting the market to continue in the downside. If we create the new structure, this is like a new trend. This is like a lower low to the lower high. The market moves up, down, up, down. I'm expecting the up to go for the down. So at that moment, I will be looking for the target from the areas where we rejected from by expecting the market to continue in the downside. I will be looking for a new structure of the market to make lower lows and lower highs so that I can sell from there. From the buyers, okay, the market is moving up. I was supposed to be entering from this area. I missed the trade. I'm waiting from these areas. Maybe I'm waiting the market to make retracements from this area. Someone who trade breakout and retest from this area. Inside area to be buying from. So I missed the trade. The market kept pushing up. I need to see the market after making high start making a lows and lower high as a new trend. So I will look for the entries from the creation of a new structure. Okay, so this will be look like this. I was waiting from this area. The market didn't come and make retracements from this area. So I will look for a new structure of the market. This is like a new trend as I was talking about. So you see higher highs and higher lows. So I created a demand area to buy from. After creating a bullish reversal chart pattern. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. By expecting the market to continue in the upside, I need a new structure, which will be like a new trend. I call this is a trend inside another trend. So let's jump to the chart and see how can we take those opportunities to buy after missing a trade, or I'm not in the market, waiting from my areas, and the market didn't come back and make a retracement from there, so that I miss all entire movement of the trade. Okay, from this chart, we have the market that is moving up. So we are in the uptrend. We didn't enter in the market from the areas where we should be getting some opportunities. Okay, so we missed the trades, and then we are waiting for the market to make a retracement from these areas, demand area. Then even the market didn't also make a retracement from this area. The market continued moving up. After making higher high, we made a low, which was an imbalance from this area. So then the market made an equal low from this area. Okay, so someone was also waiting again from buying from this area or buying from this area. So now the market is moving down. You are waiting to buy from these areas. You need the market to keep pushing down so that you can look for an entry from this area or even from this area to continue in the upside. So this is what we are looking for. But now the market has the sign that we can also continue in the upside. So if we continue, by not retracing from this area, what are we going to be looking for? We made this consolidation from where we have these highs. So if we make a higher high from these areas, we are going to be looking for the higher low. Let's say, for example, if we make a high, we are going to be looking for the higher low to expect the higher high. Okay, we are not going to miss this trade, but we are waiting from this area, but we get a new opportunity of creating a new market structure, showing us that the market will continue in the upside after creating the reversal chart pattern. Okay, so let's see what the market is gonna give us if we can get that opportunity, or if we can move down until we get to our areas to buy from. Okay, let's see. So we are moving up. Let's see what happened. High, equal highs. Let's see. Okay, we made a higher high. After breaking these areas, any higher low from these areas, I will be looking for buy. Okay, higher low from this area. I need a stronger higher low. Okay, we are still making higher highs. Let's see what happened. Higher low. So I'm gonna enter from this area. If we get a bullish candle, let's see what happened. Moving down, this bullish candle is not strong enough to be entering from. Okay, we are still moving up. We are waiting for another opportunity from the higher low. Let's see, can we get a better candlestick? So now we have a hammer. I'm going to be entering from this area now, taking a buy. My stop loss will be from these lows. Okay, so my target will be from the bullish continuation, but I'm going to be looking for the areas to take profit. Remember, we have the previous and imbalanced areas. If we start breaking above this area, I'm going to be locking some profit. Okay, so now let's see what happened. Can we move up? So we are moving down. Okay, this also will be an entry for buy. Let's see what happened. Low, another entry from this area. This candlestick is also an entry, better entry for buy. Hammer, the stop loss is also still below this area. We are in the bullish continuation. Okay, let's see what happened. We are so close to our TP1, high high and higher low. So now we started creating another opportunities. Okay, so can we move until we get our target? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So now this is our target number one. If you are in the middle of the trend, you have to look for small amount to secure some profit. If we are expecting the market that we continue for swing trading, you are going to be locking some profit and then you leave the runner run. So now this was at TP1. This was the target. If you need to continue in the upside, we are going to be locking from this area. This will be a locking of the profit. If we continue moving up, it will be an opportunity. Then we are going to leave these entries from there. So we are going to keep looking for another entries from where we started from. We have the entries to be buying from. Let's see, we have this area. So we have internal areas to buy from. Okay, so then we have also this area. Okay, if we make a higher low from this area, we are going to be looking for buy again, expecting the market to continue in the upside. So let's see what happened with this market. Remember, we locked our profit. We are still in the profit. Okay, let's see what happened. Can we create a new structure? This is a consolidation. Okay, we made a high to the low. This is another opportunity to be entering for buy after breaking this high. Okay, where are we gonna be entering from these areas? No entry from there, so we leave this and check from this area, from the retracement. I'm not going to take this trade. I need the market to balance this area at least. Enter for buy. Okay, we are moving up, down. We need to wait. So now liquidity grab from this area. This area is balanced and we are from this area now. What we are going to be looking for, can we create another new structure to give us an opportunity to enter for buy? Okay, so we need a high to the low. We need to create also a demand area to buy from. Okay, let's see what happened. So we are making a high. We have this area to buy from. We have also this inside area. I'm gonna be looking for setting a limit order. This will be a buy limit, setting it from this area. Stop loss will be below this area. So we're expecting the market to continue in the upside. Remember, my TP will be small by securing some profit and I will lock and leave the runner run. Okay, TP1 gonna be TP2, which is also my target. So if we make a low, we are going to be looking for the higher high. Let's see what happened. Moving down, retracement from that area. Can we activate? Okay, we are now. Can we move up? Let's see what happened. Equal lows, moving up, equal lows. Okay, now we are still struggling. Okay, consolidation, retracement, TP1. Now we go to our target. Can we continue moving up? If we continue moving up, we are going to be looking from this area. Let's see what happened. Still rejecting from our target. Okay, we are moving up. If you still have an order still running, you'd be looking from this area. Let's see what the market's gonna bring us. So now we are breaking also above the previous high from our target. Even our first trades got to the target, big profit. Okay, can we create a new structure again? Okay, low, okay, low, high, low, equal low, okay, low again. Okay, we are still moving down, rejecting from this area. Okay, we are still struggling, moving down. We are no longer looking to buy from this area. Where are we looking for now? Okay, we have this area. We have also this area will be, if we move and make a retracement from this area, it will be an equal low. Then we can buy from this area. Can we use a limit order, buy limit? Let's try this and see what happens. Anticipating the market to continue in the upside. High and higher low. So we have this area. Let's take also this opportunity and see what happened. This is an area to buy from. We are rejecting from here. Can we go with this candle? Okay, let's see what happened. Consolidation. Okay, moving up TP1. Lock from this area. The stop loss is break even from that area. So now let's see what happened. If we move down, close with a little profit from this area where we locked from. Let's see what happened. So then we are now out of the trade, but we didn't lose. Okay, let's see what happened. This is an entry also for buy from this area. This is also an area to buy from. Okay, we moved up, we missed this trade. We are supposed to enter buy with the limit order. So let's see what happened. We are still moving up. So we got to our target and then the market continued moving up. Okay, so we get all the target we've been looking for. Okay, so we got all of our targets. Let's now look for the other opportunities to buy from. Okay, I'm looking for the higher high from this area, higher high to the higher low to continue with the higher high. Remember, we are trading in the middle of the trend. That's why you have to make sure that we look for better entries. Now we got a high. We have so many areas to be buying from. We have this one. We have this one. Let's see what happened. So we continued moving up. No any opportunity to buy, so we continue moving up. Okay, maybe you can stop from here. The market kept moving up. So what I was talking about from here is that buying from the hanging new highs, you need more confirmation, the new formation of the market structure. Okay, so your entries was from these areas, you waited from there, and then you did get that opportunity to buy from there. So you need to look for an areas formed like this, like this, like this. So this market structure is what you are looking for. This one, you can look for the entries from there. This one, it's like a new trend going down, correction, high to the low, you buy from there. Moving down, correction, high, low, you enter from there. The same. That's where you get opportunities to be taking a trade instead of waiting from these areas where the market is going to continue move, and then you miss all entire trend. Okay, from the sellers, you are in the downtrend. We're supposed to be taking these entries from these areas. Okay, so now the market is on, the market still moving down. So we made a high to the low, to the high, lower low, waiting for the lower high to make an opportunity to continue selling to the downside. Okay, so now we have a new structure, so which is like uptrend now from a reversal to the downtrend. So that's how we are going to be looking for lower high with the confirmation from this area. This is a supply zone. Also, we have two areas to sell from. We are waiting from this area, this one, we have this one. If the market make a retracement from this area, I'm looking for sell. Retracements from this area, I'm looking for sell. Retracements from this area, I'm looking for sell. Okay, so now let's see what the market is gonna give us from there so that we can take a sell from there. Okay, let's see what happened. We made a retracement from this area. Entry is gonna be from this area. Okay, high, so aggressive, we are moving down, then so close to our target. Now we got to our target. Thank you so much for your time. Remember to subscribe on the channel, like the video. Until next time, take care and be safe.